In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a shopping list and price tracker in Notion. This beginner-friendly tutorial will guide you step by step and even provide you with a free template to get started. So, whether you're looking to streamline your grocery shopping or keep track of prices effectively, you've come to the right place. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Notion website. If you're already familiar with Notion, you'll know it's a fantastic workspace to manage various aspects of your life, from notes and tasks to more complex databases. Once you're on the Notion homepage, locate the Login button in the upper right corner. Click on it and enter your login details to access your workspace. If you're new, you'll need to sign up first, but signing up is quick and easy. After you have successfully logged in, you're taken to the Notion home. This is where you'll be able to see your existing projects, pages, and other elements on your dashboard. But today, we're focused on creating a shopping list combined with a price tracker. For this, you'll need to visit the Marketplace. So, find and click on Marketplace. It's typically located on the left sidebar of your screen, depending on your layout settings. Once in the Marketplace, use the search bar to type in shopping list or price tracker. This is a crucial step, as the search will bring up numerous templates designed by other creators specifically for shopping or price tracking. Templates are one of Notion's most powerful features, allowing you to leverage the community's creativity and expertise. Now, sift through the search results and select a template that appeals to you or meets your specific needs. Review the layout to ensure it includes elements that matter most to you, like item names, prices, categories, or even comments. Choosing the right template is key to making the most out of this powerful tool. Once you've decided on a template, you can personalize it to fit your unique style or requirements. Feel free to rearrange items, add or delete fields, and adjust the design. Customization options are vast, allowing you to set up a system that works seamlessly with your shopping habits. And there you have it. A fully functional shopping list and price tracker in Notion. This setup will not only help you manage your purchases more efficiently, but also keep track of price changes over time, optimizing your shopping strategy. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and feel empowered to take control of your shopping habits with Notion. Don't forget to download the free template provided and give it a try. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.